I'm going to discuss about two-wheeler HEV concept, hybrid electric vehicle concept development. So I'm going to take you through the following slides. Yeah, the contents are like one is I start with my organization's introduction, then the motivation why we are doing this work, then the approach. I'm going to explain that. So yeah, here we go. Yeah, Hero Motocorp. Actually, it is one of the world's largest two-wheeler manufacturer, continuously in 22 years in a row. So it has started in 1983 as Hero Honda Motors, and it became a brand. Hero Motocorp unveiled global brand identity, became world's largest two-wheeler in 2011, and it has started its state-of-the-art and innovation center in 2016, and these are some of the milestones I'm explaining. And 2021 it has achieved its cumulative production of 100 million units, and and 2022 it has launched its first two-wheel scooter. Of course, it has so many in its manufacturing line. So, but these are one of the milestones I am explaining. And it has its collaboration with Harley Davidson in 2023 for domestic as well as the international markets. So, and recently they launched X440, and few more products are coming in the market very soon. And 2024, in the latest, it has launched two-twin X-Pulse and Extreme 250R and Vita Z, etc. Yeah, this is the motivation of the work. Actually, as on today, we have challenges with ICE engines as well as EVs, and HEV as a intermediary solution as of now. So the challenge, what are the challenges in ICE vehicle, especially emissions as well as the fuel economy. And in EV, like initial cost, driving range, chargeability, and charging capability and infrastructure. These are the as on today. And with respect to evaluation, okay, these may come down or it may increase the challenges. But as on today, the intermediary solution is HEV. So that's why we started developing this concept in order to address these challenges. Yeah, here is our approach. So what we did here is, first we have taken one of our vehicle products, ICE vehicle. So we with respect to the test data. In order to build the ICE vehicle, internal combustion vehicle, we collected various inputs thoroughly. These coming two slides explain about the inputs what we have taken. So all the engine inputs, transmission inputs, vehicle level inputs, and some drivability cycle. So we have collected and these are the vehicle level inputs. So vehicle mass, rider mass, aerodynamic coefficients, vehicle frontal area, drag coefficient, etc. And tire sizes, and that's friction parameters. Yeah, and the next step, once we build the vehicle and we validated with the available parameter with respect to the test data. As a first stage, we see this is the vehicle speed is the input to us, which will give it in the dyno. So we ensure that it is matching closely. Then we check the output. What is that? Engine speed. So along with these dynamic parameters, we check some other parameters which I am going to explain in the next slide. So if you see it is matching closely, this is the input, we ensure that it is matching with dyno data as well as the engine speed. Even this is also matching closely. Yeah, actually you.